In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a knowledge base with HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline internal documentation for your team or provide a comprehensive support center for your customers, creating a knowledge base can be incredibly valuable. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. If you're using Google to sign in, simply click on Sign in with Google and select the account you want to use. This will bring you directly into your HubSpot dashboard. Once logged in, the next step is to head over to the Service section. This is where you'll find the tools needed to set up your knowledge base. When you're in the Service section, locate and click on the Knowledge Base option. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. This is where the magic really begins. With the Knowledge Base section open, you'll want to click on Set up your knowledge base. This is an important step because it's the starting point for customizing and structuring the information that will be available to users. You'll be prompted to type in a title for your knowledge base. Choose something clear and descriptive, reflecting the purpose or the content it will hold. Next, you need to select the language in which your knowledge base will be available. HubSpot offers a variety of languages to choose from, allowing you to cater to a global audience. After selecting your language, the next task is to choose a domain for your knowledge base. This is significant for branding and ease of access, as the domain will often be how users navigate to find information. Once you've finalized these basic setup details, click on Next to continue. You'll now choose a template that suits your brand. HubSpot provides several options, so take your time to browse them and pick one that best aligns with your brand's visual style and user experience goals. Having selected the ideal template, move on by clicking Next. At this point, you're almost there. You're now going to select categories into which your articles or resources will be organized. Categories help organize content logically, ensuring users can navigate your knowledge base efficiently. Finally, once categories are selected, click on Next once more. Review all your selections to ensure they meet your needs. Once you're satisfied, it's time to finalize everything by clicking on Done. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your knowledge base on HubSpot. This process lays a solid foundation for creating a comprehensive collection of resources, providing solutions to common problems, and onboarding new users efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.